Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching us and all the support today on this Mercedes E-Class guys, W211. Specifically this one is E320. We will show you a couple codes that you might get and how to resolve that situation. So we have engine light on, okay, and okay, you can see engine light is on, and those are the codes that we got. Okay, the codes are P0112, which is the intake air temperature sensor, and P0102, which is the MAF sensor, mass airflow sensor. Okay, so it says that both of them are $10 fixes. Well, believe me, it's not, because the MAF sensor is expensive. So one thing about it guys, we'll go ahead and put another MAF sensor that we have from a parts car, see if that fixes the problem. Stay with us, but always make sure that you use a good quality original sensor, because we used some of those cheap knockoffs Chinese sensors in the past, and 1 out of 5 will work good, to be honest with you. But you never know. If you want to risk it, try. But sometimes they'll give you terrible gas mileage. That's the experience we had in the past, and the car will feel sluggish because it's not giving the correct information. We had one that worked perfectly fine, no problems at all. We tested it, but we had problems with 4 of them, I believe. So we'll go ahead, okay, and replace it and see if it fixes that. If you need the video how to remove the MAF sensor, we'll have it on the channel. Plus we'll have more than 100, probably close to 200 videos on that model. So let's go ahead and do that now. Okay guys, so this is the mass airflow sensor. We just removed that one. We have another one that we use for a parts car. You have to have a matching number for your vehicle, okay? Everything has to be matching, and we'll go ahead, install the replacement one and see if it fixes our problem. Sometimes you can clean those. They tend to get dirty here, so there is a spray that you can clean them with, but we just have a replacement one that we will try and see if it clears the codes. Alright guys, next we're going to go ahead and reset the codes. Okay, let's go ahead, exit, and delete the codes, erase, we confirm. Okay, please wait, erase done. We're going to turn the ignition off and start it now. No engine light, check this thing. Okay, no engine light, and what you can actually do, you can go, if you have an OBD scanner, we even have a few reviews for those, okay, which one to use and what you can check. You can go to live data and you can check if it's actually working, if the mass airflow sensor is working, and if everything is good there. Okay, so once it connects to the computer, you'll be able to see that. Okay, complete list right here. So let's find the MAF sensor now. Okay, that's the map. Okay, this is the MAF sensor. 0.01 pound per second, that's how much air it uses. You can see it changes, but we don't have even enough load on the engine. Okay, so that's good, it's responsive. So that will be all guys. Thank you guys for watching, please subscribe and check out the playlist. See you next time.